handling is just as important. From your left, let's witness Major 2 exhibit the graceful yet very challenging maneuver we call low and slow.
Here we go! Here we go!
Ladies and gentlemen, don't blink those eyes. Get your cameras ready and focus to your front.
Say from Hawaii, aloha! I hope you enjoyed this brief high-speed pass at over 640 kilometers per hour. Coming from the United States Air Force's 15th Wing at Joint Base Pearl Harbor, Hickam, Hawaii. Proudly representing Pacific Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III Aerial Demonstration Team. The C-17 made its first flight in September of 1991. Since then, the aircraft has set over 20 world records, including payload altitude, time to climb, and the longest airdrop mission in history. This reliable airlifter combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy or IL-76 with the short field landing potential of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. Now approaching from your left, the aircraft will perform a slow speed pass. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your cameras ready as this will be your best opportunity to take photos of this amazing state-of-the-art machine. For today's demonstration is Major Mike Pasquino, Captain Bill Greer, and Major Anthony Guerreri, all graduates of the United States Air Force Academy, classes 2001, 2004, and 2000 respectively. Joining them today is Loadmaster Staff Sergeant Chris Baker. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 12,000 flying hours in various Air Force aircraft.
Oh, Singapore black with the smoke. Here comes the Smoky Bandits! Now, Smoky 5. Formation flying. Loop to your left. This team was officially named during Lima 03 and since then had been famously known as that. Prior to being called the Smoky Bandits, the team was well known as Tough and Ganas, which means the Raging Storm. Please, ladies and gentlemen, keep those cams rolling. And just for your wonderful audience, here comes Smoky Bandits. For the move we call the Eyes on Singapore. Slicing the skies of Singapore is a spectacular, razor-sharp, knife-edge maneuver. Victory 9 is one of the most agile aircraft of its generation and is known to all the world for its performance. At altitude of 500 feet, the Smoky Bandits will execute the 4-ship bomber.